How to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode not working. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to fix Monopoly Go when the airplane mode glitch does not work. So without further ado, let us begin. So what I want to do is just exit the Monopoly Go app, and then what you want to do now is just to go to the App Store. And then from here, what you want to do is just search up for Monopoly Go. And then after that, make sure that Monopoly Go is updated. So if it's not updated, just update the game and then open up the game and then just try to do the glitch again. But if that doesn't work, people say that using a VPN works. So you can just search up for any VPN that you want to use in the App Store. So for example, I'll just choose this one. And then after that, after installing the VPN that you want to use, just open up the VPN and then just open up Monopoly Go and then just try to do the airplane mode glitch from there. A lot of people say that this worked for them. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix the airplane mode glitch in Monopoly Go.